So in this section of the experimenting with waterproof connectors challenge, I'm just going to show how I'm putting the guts of my project in the box. I did have to take off this rib near this port for one of the connectors so that the flange has a place to be, and it's not entirely smooth, so I might actually reverse it so that the gasket is on the outside. However, what we have here is a frame which is holding a camera with a USB connector on it, and that frame just drops into the Hammond box nicely like that. And of course the lid fits on like this. Actually, it doesn't. It fits on like this, so that the camera is not obstructed by the lettering. So what I have over here are some little washers that I printed that have handles on them. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little handle so you can grab the washer with the screw in it, because putting the screw into the corner here is quite hard. If you're putting the screw in the corner, it's quite hard to hold it. So I've got these little handles that I can use to position the washer when I'm screwing it in. And there are 4 of them, so I can put one in each corner. These are M3 screws. They're actually 20 millimeters long, so there's a lot of thread in there. And there's 4 of them. So this is actually a very nice frame. It's going to hold everything extremely well inside the box. I really like these little handle washers. They make it so easy to put the screw in the hole, get it all lined up. And there we are. It's really snug in there. I have also put a mating USB connector on the waterproof plug here. So we have to feed that through. Now the gasket's going to go on the inside for this one, and it has a D flat on it here. So I'm going to get all that set up, and we're actually going to show some video. This is going to connect up to the LattePanda, and we'll just show how it works actually when it's connected. Okay, here we're just going to put the nut on. So that's the USB connector, and they just join up as any USB connectors would, and we will fire that up and just see how it goes. So just a quick showcase of how this is going together. I have these frames which will be used to mount the post that's going to hold these things. So there's a frame on each end, like that, and there's actually two posts that are going to dictate the angle. It's going to either be vertical like this or rotated like this, and these two mounting holes here have a pivoting post in them which are connected together. I'll show you that one in the next segment after I do a video test with this thing. I might actually put the lid on. Make sure there's no dust there. Grab my screws. Let's just see how that goes. Here we go. So yeah, these it comes with the big 6 screws for the edges. I had to actually purchase those M3s to hold the frame inside, but it comes with these nice screws for the outside. And since I'm not really a metric guy for screws, my stock had not quite enough. I had to go buy some. Okay, so that is the camera in a box.